Good morning, I'm Tim Carter. I'm the Client Portfolio Manager on npower's Optimisation Desk, and welcome to this morning's market update on Tuesday the 17th of March. So yesterday we saw prices, particularly on the curve, come under some sustained pressure, with Winter 15 particularly losing over 50 pence per megawatt hour, and we're seeing a bit more of the same today really. So the key drivers, we've got an oil and coal slump continuing to pressure prices. The UK gas supply is also reasonably comfortable today, with line pack a couple of MCM long. But meanwhile the wind supply to the UK today is a bit weak, so the power supply fundamentals are on the tight side. Those are the main headlines, but if you like any more information, please contact us on the email address provided. Otherwise, continue to watch for a bit more detail. So firstly, going to look at the wider commodity complex to understand what's going on with Brent and oil and coal at the moment. So the Brent oil contracts have dipped into the $53 per barrel range this morning, with the West Texas, the American benchmark, now down at $43 per barrel. This comes as increasing concerns grow around the oversupply, particularly in the US, with their storage facilities becoming fuller and fuller, and some forecasting that they might be full by sometime in Q2. Likewise, coal is now at a 9-year low of just $57 per tonne. This follows a brief recovery last week when the Australians cut production levels, but the market has since reassessed and continues to see oversupply in the coal markets there. Meanwhile, carbon is still in the mid €6 per tonne range, as debate continues around when exactly the European market reforms will come into effect. Looking closer to home, the UK gas system, we see fairly comfortable supply outlook for today. This comes despite an unplanned outage at Teesside affecting some of the UK CS flows, but we are seeing line pack 3 MCM long today. Demand is currently down today, around 12 MCM on yesterday, as temperatures are a bit milder, and we're seeing healthy IUK imports of over 20 MCM, combined with good LNG send out in the mid-30s. Storage withdrawals are muted this morning, and with Rough going offline for essential maintenance during the day yesterday, it's worth just keeping an eye on whether flows can keep up with the current nominations. Finally then, looking at the UK power system, it's a very similar story to yesterday really, with wind currently generating less than half a gigawatt, meaning the call on CCGT and coal generation is pretty strong. Whilst peak margins only dip just below 10 gigawatts today, we're fairly comfortable on the supply side, and wind is due to pick up just to over a gigawatt tomorrow. But it's worth watching out for a few unplanned outages planned outages next week. Hartlepool 2 is going offline for refueling. The French interconnector has planned works, and that combined with the unplanned outage at the Wilfer nuclear unit may lead to a touch of support on the near curve. That's it for today, and we'll speak to you again tomorrow. Thank you.